and massage it gently like this with your fingers to ensure that the product is absolutely absorbed properly, and it at the night also before sleep.
If you are suffering from dandruff issue, if you are suffering from scalp issues, like if you are all the time itching your scalp, then there is a serious problem. Yes, scalp inflammation is a serious problem which results in hair loss, massive hair loss. And also, if you're suffering from receding hairline, or there are some places from where your hair is excessively falling, then there is a serious problem and you need to address it, because if you don't address it, then you will start losing your hair immensely and the quality of your hair will be very bad and you will be experiencing massive hair fall. Introducing to you Mars by GHC's Hair Vitalizer. This will solve all your problems which I have just stated. It will help you to reduce your dandruff. It will help you to improve the quality of your hair. Third, it will remove all kind of skin inflammation. If you are suffering from itchy scalp, it will help you to get rid of it. If you have pimples in your scalp, then it will help you to get rid of that too. And also, it will help you to regrow your hair if you are facing receding hairline. So guys, today we will be talking in detail about this product, how to apply this product for the maximum benefit, what are the benefits you can experience, how much time does it take to show results, and fourth, what is the price of this product and from where you can buy this product. So please do watch this video till the end. You will get all the answers about your hair.
So guys, the product comes in a packaging like this. It is a 60 ml bottle. It's a premium packaging. Everything is mentioned in the packaging itself. Directions for use, ingredients. It's free from any harmful chemicals, parabens, sulfate and SLS. It comes with a dropper and the liquid is pale in color. There is no color, it's like water. The first ingredient is Redensil 3%. Guys, it helps you to promote hair growth and reduces hair fall. The second is saw palmetto. Saw palmetto is a natural DHT blocker which helps in miniaturizations of hair follicles. Third, it has Procapil 3%, which is a natural solution made up of ingredients found in citrus and olive trees. It is known to strengthen the hair follicles. And fourth, you have biotin. Biotin promotes thicker and healthier hair growth. So now comes the application part. Just spray on the affected area where you have lesser hair and massage it gently like this with your fingers to ensure that the product is absolutely absorbed properly, and just leave it on. You don't take a bath or shampoo your hair, just brush it like this. You will have a good style, don't worry, and leave it on for 6 to 8 hours. You should apply it at the night also before sleep so that the product works for 6 to 8 hours properly. Use it every day for at least 3 months to see visible results.
I trust Mars. Guys, now let's talk about the price of this product. The MRP of this product is rupees 799, but there are discounts on their official website, Amazon, Flipkart and other e-commerce sites. Also, you can buy it with a discounted price. Links are in the description box. Hope you will like this video and you have got all your answers about this product. If you have any issues, any comments, anything going on your mind, please do comment below. I will answer all your queries within 24 to 48 hours. Please bear with me till then, and please do watch all my other videos also. I have an immense collection of hair care videos on my channel and skincare videos too. Please do watch them and you come back to me if you have any query regarding any product in this video. I will answer all your queries. Till then, tata.